and the third one is number of passengers. So in a particular year, in a particular month, if you take a particular year and a particular month, number of passengers who have taken flights, those values are present here. ఒక సంవత్సరము ఒక నెల ఇస్తే ఎంతమంది ట్రావెలర్స్ ఫ్లైట్స్ చూస్ చేస్తున్నారు ట్రావెల్ చేయడానికి అనే డేటా ఇది. అలా మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్కి సంబంధించింది ఇక్కడ మన దగ్గర డేటా. హౌ మెనీ ఇయర్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఈస్ అవైలబుల్ టు మీ? If that thing is not available, see, here I have not mentioned all the records. Only few records I have given. At least tell me the count. 144. And then try to understand this entire line. Try to understand this entire line. What must be the X value? Passengers. Number of passengers. Passengers is the column number 3. Passengers column number is 3. Passengers column number is 3. And the what is the y-axis value? Month. How many months will be having? 12 months. That means how many values we are going to get for the y? 12 values. And the data frame. What is my data frame name? Data set 1. Okay? And the data has been projected. Now tell me, by seeing this graph, say I will explain these parameters next in next class. By seeing this graph, tell me what are the things or insights you can identify. You know what kind of data we have taken? We have taken a year and a particular month and how many number of passengers have taken the flights in that particular month. After seeing this data, tell me what are the insights you can draw from this graph. Is there any kind of thing in this particular month so many people are taking flights? Is there anything like that? Tell me a particular month where we have number of passengers, more number of passengers in August. How many data points we have? 12 data points. What about this one? Okay. So we can say that in August month so many people are taking flights. Yes or no? Even August month, number of passengers is also more. How many number of passengers? So this is 600 value has been obtained from this data point, and this data point belongs to which month? August month. So government will be decided to provide more number of flights during August month. August month వస్తుంది కాబట్టి ఈ ప్రొజెక్షన్ ద్వారా ఆగస్ట్ మంత్ లో ఎక్కువ మంది ప్యాసింజర్స్ ఉన్నారు, ఎక్కువ మంది ట్రావెలింగ్ చేస్తున్నారు కాబట్టి గవర్నమెంట్ విల్ డిసైడ్ ఆఫ్టర్ సీయింగ్ దిస్ ప్రొజెక్షన్ we have to provide more number of flights either in the July month or August month. Is that clear? Do you have any doubts? Any doubts? Just go and try all these things. We have this special significance for view property as well as style property. I will be explaining